Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and creating an incognito window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N now, or click the three-dot menu and choose New Incognito Window. Once done, note why. Incognito stops local history, cookies are isolated, and most extensions are off. This protects local privacy. Make sure you sign into any site only if you want that session linked, because bookmarks and downloads still persist on the device. If you need a second private window, repeat the shortcut or menu step immediately. Next, tune privacy controls to match your goal. Click the padlock in the address bar and open site settings to block cookies, camera, mic, or location. This prevents sites from tracking during the session. Once done, remember extensions are off in incognito. Enable any needed extension through Chrome. / extensions and toggle allow in incognito, but only for trusted tools. If you want a clean slate separate from your profile, switch to guest mode in the sign-in menu. It isolates data even more effectively. To finish, close every incognito window. Doing that clears the local session data for that private browsing. If you notice history or logins persisting, make sure you didn't sign into Chrome Sync. Check Chrome //settings /sync to disable syncing and review extensions that might record activity. If problems continue, strange cookies or profiles stuck, try guest mode or, as a last resort, power wash to reset the Chromebook. One troubleshooting tip: reboot after changes to ensure settings and extensions fully reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.